This video will show you how to use the Cressington Sputter Coater for coating samples with a fine gold palladium film. First, lift the lid on the chamber and place your sample on the stage. The stage has holes for pin mounts, or the sample can just be placed flat on the surface. Next, place the cover back onto the chamber and make sure that it fits correctly so that it is not askew. While slightly pressing down on the chamber lid, turn on the mechanical pump with the switch that is on the cord. Turn on the instrument by pressing the on button on the left-hand side. Open the valve on the argon gas cylinder and also open the shut-off valve that is on the line. Wait for the level to reach below 0.06 millibar. While waiting for the pressure to get to the proper level, you can set the deposition time. Press the pause button and use the up and down arrows to adjust the deposition time. Currently, a 60-second deposition time will result in a 20 nanometer film. After the vacuum level is at 0.06 millibar or below, press the test button for 1 second. If a plasma is not struck, wait a few seconds and try again. If you see a plasma form, then the instrument is ready for deposition. Press the start button and the instrument will coat for the desired time and then stop. After the coating is completed, push against the bleed valve on the top of the chamber lid to allow the chamber to come back up to atmosphere. At the same time, turn off the mechanical pump. This will prevent oil from back streaming into the chamber. After the chamber has reached atmosphere, open the lid and remove your samples. Turn off the instrument and shut off both the argon cylinder valve and the shut-off valve. Finally, close the lid on the chamber so that it remains clean. If any issues occur, please report them to the laboratory manager. Thank you.